Now, let's talk about do while. So, in the previous part, we have learned about while that first it will check this condition. If this condition is true, then it will execute our logic. And when this condition is false, it will stop this loop. So, what if you want to run this loop at least one time? So, for that, we have do while. First, it will run the loop, then it will check the condition. So to write the loop, we will start with do, then after that our logic, the code that we want to execute in a loop. So let's say echo, same message. So let's copy this and paste it here. Then after the do, we will write our condition in here by typing while, and again our logic inside this while. So this will execute at least one time before checking the condition. So if I add it here, now again it will execute it indefinitely because we did not decrement our fuel. So let's decrement that as well. Let's type here fuel minus minus. Now let's refresh our page. Now I got my echo in here 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So now if I change this 5 to 0, in here I got the text as fuel percentage 0 because it executed the logic first, then check the condition. So whenever you want to run your loop at least one time, it's better to use do while. Otherwise, you can use while or for loop.